Hello, do you know an addition number bond for the number 4? If you don't, that's great because we're here to teach you that today. So, number bond for number 4, what that means is what two numbers added together equal 4. So I could have 2 plus 2. Does that equal 4? Yes, it does. So that would be a great number bond for that one. What about 1 plus 3? Does that equal 4? Yes, well done. So that's another number bond you can do. What about this? You can tell me if this is a number bond. Right, is that a number bond for 4? No. Well done. I thought I'd trick you there. Well done. Okay, because that equals 5, so it can't be it. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye.